Welcome, in front of me is ASUS Chromebook C434, and in this video I will show you how to check battery health on this laptop. So in order to check the battery health of your laptop, you have to open the launcher menu right here, then go to settings. In settings, select About Chrome OS, and then go to Diagnostics. And then what you have to do is, in order to run the battery test, is remove the charging cable from your device and then click Run Discharge Test. Wait for less than a minute until the test is performed, and then your device's battery will get recalibrated and you will see the new value of your battery health, the fresh value of your battery health right here. Let's wait until the test is completed. Okay, and as you can see, the current battery health is 90% as it suggested before, and that's how you check it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.